Guys, we had really great news this morning. The CPI came down to 4.9. That's 0.3% below the projections. Why is that awesome? Because that gives people confidence in the market. At least I hope it does. That means prices are finally coming down. This is the lowest CPI we've had in 2 years, people. That means like people might actually have interest and confidence to invest in more risky assets like crypto, assuming anyone has money left. Now, I don't know if anyone has money left. Maybe you know better than me, but I do think people that are looking to come into the market are more likely to come into the market as inflation pares down, and maybe the CPI numbers will become less and less important as inflation does pare way down in the next upcoming months. So that's really what I'm hoping to see. And this actually raises the prospect that the Fed will not only not raise interest rates, but indeed will start shrinking them back. And that's really good for crypto. Now, as a word of warning, recessions usually hit their bottom a month or two after the Fed really starts rolling back the interest rates. That's historically been true, but then we come back up very quickly. Now, will that affect crypto? I'm not really sure. If you actually look at the stock market for what it's actually been today, the NASDAQ has actually gone down, or the NASDAQ is actually up way more than either the DJIA or the S&P 500 at the time of this recording. And we know that the crypto follows NASDAQ way more than DJIA or S&P 500. So it looks very good for crypto. Never mind the little dump we had this morning. We've already mostly recovered from that. But the CPI, I believe, is a lot more important, with the prospect that the Fed will start rolling back interest rates instead of increasing them, or at least stop, because inflation is coming down. And I think that's mostly because of food, because food prices have stabilized over the last 6 months or so. Because of that, I do believe people will be more bullish in the future. And this sets up for a summer bull run that could be much higher than what I initially expected. Now, I initially expected $40,000, $45,000 in the summer run. I might be more in the range of $50,000 to $60,000 now because of the CPI report, because people are going to be excited that the inflation's finally coming down and they're finally more willing to pour money into crypto as things stabilize. Treasury rates are also coming down because of this. And because treasury rates are coming down, they're less competitive with crypto. They're less competitive with crypto investments. So people are going to be looking for basically high percentage staking and high percentage returns in crypto, because they can't get that from treasuries in the future anymore. So that's why this is a big deal on several fronts. So the CPI coming at 4.9, way below expectations, I believe will take us past 30,000 this week and possibly 50 to 60,000 in the summer, with an outside chance at getting to an all-time high this year. I still don't think an all-time high this year is going to happen, but I think it becomes more possible with inflation rates coming down as much as they have. So I am very excited about this. You should be excited about this. Then maybe more people will start listening to the crypto market. So that's the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe, hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.